हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंग्लिश विद रेड्डी। मैं हूँ मिस रेड्डी। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने कुछ क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स को कवर किया हुआ था विच वर वेरी कॉमन और जिसे हम एवरीडे लाइफ में यूज़ करते हैं। वो वीडियो ज़्यादा लंबी ना हो इसलिए मैंने बाकी क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स को इस पार्ट में कवर किया हुआ है। अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखी है सो ज़रूर देखें। डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको उसका लिंक मिल जाएगा। प्लीज़ गाइस चेकआउट करें क्योंकि यही क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स आपको इंग्लिश इंप्रूव करने में हेल्प करेंगे। सो नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। डू यू हैव एनी ऑफिस वर्क? डू यू हैव एनी ऑफिस वर्क? Yes, I have so much work to do. Yes, I have so much work to do. No, I am totally free. No, I am totally free. Why are you not working? Why are you not working? I am taking a break. I am taking a break. I am just tired. I am just tired. What time is your lunch break? What time is your lunch break? Midday at 12:30. Midday at 12:30. Between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. Between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. From 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. From 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Do you like to eat burger? Do you like to eat burger? Yes, I love burger. Yes, I love burger. No, it's unhealthy. No, it's unhealthy. I don't eat fast food. I don't eat fast food. What kind of food do you like? What kind of food do you like? I like vegetables and fruits. I like vegetables and fruits. I like homemade and traditional food. I like homemade and traditional food. I mostly like fast food. I mostly like fast food. I like all food. I like all food. Are you going to work tomorrow? Are you going to work tomorrow? Yes, tomorrow will be a working day. Tomorrow will be a working day. Tomorrow we have a day off. Tomorrow we have a day off. No, I am on leave tomorrow. No, I am on leave tomorrow. What type of movies do you like? What type of movies do you like? I like action movies. I like action movies. I like horror movies. I like horror movies. I don't watch movies. I don't watch movies. Would you like to go to the cinema tomorrow? Would you like to go to the cinema tomorrow? No, maybe next weekend. No, maybe next weekend. What are you planning to do tomorrow? What are you planning to do tomorrow? I am not sure about it. I am not sure about it. I might play football then relax. I might play football then relax. What do you do on weekends? What do you do on weekends? I like to read books and relax. I like to read books and relax. I like to go for shopping. I like to go for shopping. I usually meet my friends. I usually meet my friends. When shall we meet up? When shall we meet up? Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Next weekend works well for me. Next weekend works well for me. I am not sure. I am not sure. How about we go for dinner? How about we go for dinner? That's a great idea. That's a great idea. Let me check my schedule. Let me check my schedule. What time do you get up? What time do you get up? I don't have a fixed time. I don't have a fixed time. I get up around 6 a.m. I get up around 6 a.m. What time is it? What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. It's 3:30 p.m. It's 3:30 p.m. What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Around 11 p.m. Around 11 p.m. Anytime. Anytime. Why don't you join gym? Why don't you join gym? I don't have time. I don't have time. It's too expensive. It's too expensive. I am too lazy. I need some motivation. I am too lazy. I need some motivation. What's on your mind? What's on your mind? I am just thinking. I am just thinking. Do you enjoy learning English? Do you enjoy learning English? Yes, it's so much fun. Yes, it's so much fun. Yes, because I want to learn English. Yes, because I want to learn English. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Yes, I speak English. Sorry, I don't speak English very well. Sorry, I don't speak English very well. I am learning to speak English. I am learning to speak English. Do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Sure, I need to get some exercise. Sure, I need to get some exercise. No, maybe next time. No, maybe next time. Where are you going? Where are you going? I am going to the supermarket. I am going to the supermarket. I am going to meet my friends. I am going to meet my friends. सो फ्रेंड्स, आज के लिए इतना ही। मैंने मेरी एक वीडियो में इंग्लिश के क्वेश्चंस को कैसे फ्रेम करना है ये डिटेल में विद स्ट्रक्चर एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है। आई रिकमेंड यू टू वॉच दैट वीडियो टू, क्योंकि वो वीडियो आपके लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल हो सकती है, जिसका आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक मिल जाएगा। सो प्लीज़ चेकआउट करें। सो गाइज़, अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी है सो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड शेयर करें, और अगर आपने मेरे इस चैनल को अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें एंड साथ वाली बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें। सो बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।